When you select a theme for your new site, and for this example, let's choose the yoga theme, the first thing that you're prompted to do when you click on the Start Editing button is to choose a domain name for your website and decide where you're going to host it. You don't have to fill these in immediately. You can start editing your site and then select your domain and hosting options at any point before you publish your site. And Weebly will keep prompting you with this Choose Your Website Domain box each time you log in to work on your site. When you're ready to publish your site, Weebly give you 3 domain options. You can choose your own domain name for the website, and for the purpose of this example, let's call it a new yoga website. Weebly will, first of all, check that this domain name is available, and as you can see, this example is. And then when you click on Continue, they will give you some pricing options and a comparison chart, and then take you through the registration process. But keep in mind, you will have to pay for this hosting option. You will only get free hosting if you select the third option and host your site under a subdomain of Weebly. If you already have a domain name registered, you need to check the second box, which means that you're going to either transfer your domain name to Weebly or keep your domain name where it is and connect your new Weebly website to this domain. And either way, Weebly will take you through these stages that you need to follow. And the final option allows you to host your website for free under the weebly.com domain. So for example, you might end up with a website which is called a new yoga website.weebly.com. When you have set up your domain option and you have finished editing your website, you just need to click the Publish button top right to make your site live. And don't worry if you accidentally click the Publish button before you've set up your domain and hosting options. Weebly will just prompt you again with the Choose Your Website Domain dialog box.